Questions 1. Which type condenser used in refrigerator? Question mark. Option A, fin-in tube type. Option B, plate-in tube type. Option C, shell-in tube type. Right answer is option B, plate-in tube type. Questions 2. Cooling is based on the principle. Option A, evaporation. Option B, condensation. Option C, compression. Right answer is option A, evaporation. Questions 3. Impeller is used in type of compressor. Question mark. Option A, rotary compressor. Option B, reciprocating compressor. Option C, centrifugal compressor. Right answer is option C, centrifugal compressor. Questions 4. What is function of dryer in refrigeration cycle? Question mark. Option A, extract moisture from refrigerant. Option B, storage liquid refrigerant. Right answer is option A, extract moisture from refrigerant. Questions 5. What is the boiling point of ammonia? Option A, minus 40.1 degrees Celsius. Option B, minus 33.3 degrees Celsius. Option C, minus 55.6 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option B, minus 33.3 degrees Celsius. Question 6. Which metal tubes used to connect parts in air conditioner? Option A, steel. Option B, aluminum. Option C, copper. Right answer is option C, copper. Question 7. Brine is used where temperature range maintained in option A, 6 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Option B, minus 5 degrees Celsius to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option B, minus 5 degrees Celsius to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Questions 8. Which system is power saving? Option A, vapor compression system. Option B, vapor absorption system. Right answer is option B, vapor absorption system. Questions 9. What is the chemical formula of ammonia refrigerant? Option A, carbon tetrahydride. Option B, sulfur dioxide. Option C, nitrogen trihydride. Right answer is option C, nitrogen trihydride.